the game. It's a rich thing.
Alright y'all, this is the boat we got from a family friend. It's a bass tracker, 17 foot, I think it's a 96. It's for a family friend. He passed away and his son gave us his dad's boat. My dad, he done fished out of this boat a lot. He had this boat for a while, just keeping it for his friend. But it's aluminum and it's a 70 Mercury. I've been working on it a little bit. It's running good. I'm trying to get all of that old gas out of it. But it got a little work we got to do with it. Got to put another piece of treated wood there. Carpet it. I don't know if we're gonna recarpet the whole boat or not. It's good enough to fish out of. But we might end up recarpeting the whole thing. I'll just give y'all a look at it before we did everything that we're gonna do to it. There's a dry compartment here. That right there was a dry compartment, but he changed it to a battery compartment for the trolling motor. Rod box over there. Just another compartment here. Compartment over there. Live well. In the back for the gas tank and the batteries. But a little bit more work on it. We'll be on the water and Charles, our first time trying the boat. She pops back there and take it off the trailer. Trying to get it cranked up. We got it running. There you go. First time in the boat, y'all. About to get in it. We're about to go try it out, see what they do. We don't got no fishing rods though. We just finna cruise for a little while. This dog done came in down here, ain't got no water. Look at it.
Door again, you know? wind. You know.
It'll blow you back.
Easy.
Alright, y'all, we did a little test run. She run pretty good. The only thing is I gotta oil it up a little bit more. Put a few things in the boat. Life jackets and stuff. I need me an extinguisher. Me a paddle. You know, little things like that. But all in all, she did good. She running good. Next time y'all see us out, we'll be fishing them. Alright, y'all, do a quick little unboxing for y'all. Picked up a couple things. Got another little charger, small charger, 8 amp Stanley Fat Max. And I picked up some of these for the boat. So I can use regular truck batteries, not marine batteries. Got a few of those. Also got a couple whistles for the boat. Put them in, hook them to the key or whatever. Alright. This right here, I honestly don't even know what this is. I'm about to open it and see. Let's see what it is, y'all. Oh, okay, I remember now. I ordered a grease gun. I went to use the grease gun the other day, and it was getting old. It didn't even want to, I couldn't even, it done got rusty in the inside of it. So I bought another one. Came with this connection, this one, and the long one. Up next, y'all, we have a dip net. I'm gonna open it up and show it to you. Give you all the specs in the comment section. It's a nice size net. It folds over and then it extends. You twist that right there and it extends out. And then you can twist that right there and it'll fold the tip back over. I give you the specs of it in the description. I'll post a link where you can look at it. Amazon link.
It's not a game, it's a